Hey guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. It has been forever. Today I have an Aldi haul for you and I will share with you our super exciting, not really exciting, Thanksgiving menu. Stay tuned. So it has been a long time since I went to Aldi. They actually closed ours and they ended up renovating it. It is huge now and super new and shiny and clean. So I was so excited to get back there. I decided to get just some of my basics today, plus a couple of treats. Okay, let's get started. For some reason, the bananas at Aldi seem to be the best in my town. I don't know why, but whenever I buy bananas at Kroger or wherever, they just don't seem to last as long. Some carrots as well. We will be having this in a sweet potato medley on Thanksgiving. One of my favorite sauces at Aldi, which unfortunately they don't have all the time, is the premium vodka sauce. The taste is kind of sweet because of the cream and it's just so good. I was on the lookout for some mango salsa, but they were out. So I decided to try their specially selected roasted verde salsa in addition to the avocado tomatillo. Also bought some cilantro for some guacamole, some reduced fat feta. So have you tried dessert hummus yet? I know it sounds gross, but just hear me out. They have it at all sorts of places now. I've seen it at Target in their produce section. In my Aldi, this was located near the strawberries. This one is a dark chocolate hummus, and this is a sea salt caramel. Basically, if you dip strawberries into it, it just feels like such a luxurious treat, and it is really good. I think the reason that works is because chickpeas don't have a ton of flavor. There's no real strong flavor to them. I suspect there's a bit more fiber, a bit more protein, but that's not why I'm getting it. I'm getting it because it's really good. Some broccoli, some French green beans, snap peas. I love this in regular hummus. Lots of berries, so strawberries and blueberries. And I have not had this in a long time. I used to get this every Aldi trip, but this is the artisan lettuce package. And I'll just show the back in case you're curious as to what kind of lettuce. Some green onions, some English cucumbers. We love these as plain or just dipped in Marzetti ranch, which in my opinion is the best ranch. I know, it can be a controversial topic. Everybody likes their own kind of ranch, or not. Some grapes, and I stocked up on some chips because for some reason Kroger is out of regular potato chips. I might start some Christmas cookie baking, so I got some butter. Their organic beef is really good, so I got a couple of these. I probably will end up freezing these because we'll have so much food over Thanksgiving. And I did a bit of stocking up on cereal. So this is a dupe for the Special K with strawberries. It's their Fit and Active Vitality cereal with red berries, and then also the kind with vanilla almond clusters. Some chewy bars. These are like the Quaker granola bars, the variety pack there. And also a little bit of stocking up on their organic chicken broth. I use this in all of my soups pretty much. So delicious. Their baked goods section is really good. I've said this before. They have this 7-Up cake that is really good. It was so tempting to just buy everything because they have chocolate brioche. They have so much good stuff. I think they even have naan, which is pretty cool. So just some muffins for the week or a couple days. Who knows how long those will last. And I get so excited, probably more than I should, when their nuts go on sale. These are those big 30-ounce containers of nuts. I bought so many because these are on sale for like $10 or $10.99, which is really good for this big of a container. Some breakfast sausage. We don't get this a whole lot, but over the holidays, sometimes we do like a pancake breakfast with some sausages or bacon. Their smoked salmon is really good, and this was only $3.99. Oh gosh, I totally forgot how inexpensive Aldi is. We have been easily spending almost $200 a week on groceries from Kroger. And for all of these items, guys, and I'm not even done, it was like $130, $150. I'll show a picture of the receipt at the end. These are the Boulder all occasion napkins, premium napkins. These are like the Vanity Fair ones, which is really nice. Organic almond unsweetened milk. For one of the dinners this week, we'll have carnitas. For occasional lunches this week, some chicken nuggets. I was tempted to buy all sorts of Christmas goodies there, but I'm really trying to hold back because we really have more than enough Christmas decorations. They're just in the basement. I have been on the lookout though for a holiday throw, and at under $5, this was perfect. So they have all sorts of designs, of course. They have ones with a barn on them, with black and white checkered pattern. This one seemed to suit our decor well. And then I got a big container of variety popcorn. This week's menu are the carnitas that I showed you with vegetables and rice. I have a quiche that I just made, so we'll be having that. I'll include my recipe below for a crustless quiche, kind of a breakfast theme. It looks like those two items. The avocado toast will also be a dinner. For Thanksgiving, that's what the T is. I apologize, but I like to write in my own kinds of abbreviations, but I'm sure you'll get what I'm trying to say. So it's just the three of us for Thanksgiving. My brother has been quarantining for the past couple of weeks so that he can join us. So it'll be four of us actually. So I'll be having a couple of main entrees, which would be ham and turkey. These are on the smaller side because again, it's just the four of us. I'd like to do a sweet potato medley either in the oven or in the air fryer. Some mashed potatoes and gravy, some cranberry sauce to go with the turkey or whatever, some broccoli, and some green beans. So gosh, it has been forever. I looked at my channel and it has been almost a year since I put a video that was not a singing video, and I miss you guys a lot. I've been getting some really nice messages and I so appreciate all of you. I hope all of you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.